Hello and welcome to Traveling with Luigi. In this episode, my wife and I will visit Lake Livingston State Park in Texas. But where is Lake Livingston? Well, it is located to the northeast of Houston George Bush Intercontinental Airport, about 1 hour and 10-minute drive. Lake Livingston is one of the largest lakes in the state of Texas, with 83,000 surface acres. For a fee under $10 per adult, you can enter this park for the day. We are here driving the entrance road to the park. We love how the trees mark the path for the road. Lake Livingston State Park opened in 1977, and it is located on 635 acres along the southeastern edge of Lake Livingston in Polk County. There are 6 trails in this park for a total of 5.7 miles of hiking and biking paths. As you see here, they range from easy to moderate in difficulty. We are going to show you our favorite, the Piney Woods Boardwalk Trail. We were impressed because it has almost 1 mile or 1.5 kilometers of boardwalk through the woods. It is very well maintained, and you often find signs and maps with directions. Very well organized. Notice that this video was captured in the winter, in January. The views are much more greener in the spring and summer, and one of the points of interest is the duck pond. You are looking now at the duck pond. We were impressed by the quietness and beauty of the place. However, at this time of the year, there were no ducks. This small hut is the Birdland. The idea is that you can capture pictures or videos of the birds as they are in their natural habitat without being noticed. Let us show you the inside. It has some small windows and some guidelines including the common types of birds found here, as well as whiteboard for visitors to log their sightings. At the time of our visit, we did not spot any birds. Let me share with you a bit about the history of Lake Livingston. A dam of the Trinity River created this lake that provides water for the city of Houston and other East Texas cities. It is ideal for boating and fishing because of its size and constant level. The Trinity River and surrounding valley have been home to a variety of cultures for centuries. Humans have long known about the valley's abundant natural resources. In the 1800s, the Trinity River Valley offered good land for cotton farming. What's more, the river provided convenient means to transport cotton to the port cities of Houston and Galveston. In present day, timber is the primary product of the area and is mainly transported through this river to those port cities. We are almost at the end of the boardwalk path. This last deck is located next to the frog pond, where you can hear a concert of frogs singing at night. We are now heading back towards the main entrance. We wanted to show you the marina and the lake. Your options for spending the night include campsites from $14 to $30 depending on the utilities available, screen shelters for $35. At Lake Livingston State Park, you can swim, be aware of alligators, and swim only in designated areas. You can also fish, boat, hike, bird sighting, camp, picnic, mountain bike, geocache, and study nature. Nearly 50 inches or 127 centimeters of rain falls annually in this area. Mild temperatures average 51 Fahrenheit or 11 Celsius in the winter and 81 Fahrenheit or 27 Celsius in the summer. Highs in the summer sometimes reach 100 Fahrenheit or 38 Celsius. But don't worry, you can cool off in Lake Livingston. There are multiple docks as you can see. This is the fish cleaning station. There is also a convenience store and an observatory. This is the view from the observatory. The park is home to small mammals such as armadillos, raccoons, opossums, and southern flying squirrels. white-tailed deer frequent the park, and there are occasional sightings of bobcats and coyotes. As for fish, crappie are active in the spring and early summer, while bluegill and channel catfish bite along the shoreline year-round. You can also fish for white, striped, and largemouth bass from spring through fall. White bass are especially plentiful and grow quite large. We are now approaching the end of our visit. The lake views are fantastic. It is so beautiful and relaxing, as you can tell from these shots. But one last note before I let you go. There is a group hall for gatherings of up to 50 people for $125 per day, with air-conditioned, heater, outdoor grill, restrooms, tables, chairs, picnic tables, and is wheelchair accessible. Everything you need to have a party. As you can see, the sunsets in Texas are beautiful. We don't seem to have enough of them. Well, friends, that's about it for this episode. My wife and I had a wonderful time here, and we know that if you decide to visit, you will too. So thank you so much for watching. Until the next time, and as I usually say, happy travels!